Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you what you need to soak off your acrylic nails. First, you want to start off by laying a clean towel. You'll need a nail buffer that you can find in a manicure kit, a file to file down your acrylic, toenail clippers to clip down your acrylic, a cuticle pusher to scrape acrylic, 100% pure acetone to soak, a soak-off bowl, paper napkins, and you'll also need nippers to clip away any crystals if you have them. I'm going to start by clipping away my crystals. You can use old dull nippers or you can use fingernail clippers. Whichever works for you, they both work. Sometimes it's a little bit harder, so you can change them out just like I did. Now you want to clip down the length of the nails using your fingernail clippers. You want to look from the underside of your nails so that you do not clip away your natural nails. So once the nails are clipped all the way down, I'm going to use my 100 grit or 180 grit hand file. Any hand file works. You really want to break the seal and remove the shine from any of the nails. If you're a nail tech with an e-file, you can absolutely skip this step and go straight in with your e-file. For those of you who have an e-file, you can use a carbide bit like the one shown, twist it into your drill. For those of you who are unfamiliar with e-files, and put your drill setting on about medium high to start removing the acrylic and thinning it down as much as possible. If you do not have a carbide bit, you may absolutely use a sanding band. It will get the job done just as well. So now I'm going to take my soak off bowl from ctones.com, and once I unlatch it, I'm going to reveal the inside of it. The inside, there's a well that includes hot water. Hot water is going to help the acetone melt down that acrylic as quickly as possible. Please be reminded that MMA takes a lot longer to soak off than EMA, so you may be sitting for a while, so get comfortable. I will now be adding acetone to the top of the soak off bowl, and once the acetone is in there, I'm going to put my hands in. This is going to take a while, guys, so make sure that you get comfortable. After you put your hands in the acetone, cover your hands with a clean towel so that your hands can remain warm and that no fumes can get in your face from the acetone. After about 5 minutes, this is what your nails should look like. This Ctones acrylic is fairly easy to scrape off. However, if you find that your acrylic is a little bit gummy or sticky like boogers, unfortunately you have MMA on your nails, which is illegal and takes almost an hour or more to soak off. So if you've encountered that, go ahead and scrape the nails as much as possible, file them down a little bit more with your hand file, and put them back into the acetone. When you put your hands back into the acetone, you want to wait about another 5 to 10 minutes before you begin scraping and filing off again. Now that the acrylic is completely off of my nails, you're going to see that the acetone dried out my nails and my fingers a little bit. So I'm going to buff any imperfections away from my nail and make them smoother. And once that's done, I'm going to apply a vitamin-rich cuticle oil to give them their shine back. So there you guys have it, some fresh, clean nails with no acrylic. When you're disposing of your acetone, you want to make sure you do not put it down the drain. It can ruin your pipes. Soak it up with your towels and dispose of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check us out on ctones.com, Facebook, and Instagram. God bless.